Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by making sure your iPhone and Apple Watch are updated and signed into the same Apple ID. Open your car maker's app or settings wallet to locate the digital key enrollment. You need the car in range. Tap to add the car key, then follow prompts to authenticate with Face ID or passcode. Once paired, make sure the watch is unlocked and worn. This lets the watch store the key securely and prepares it for immediate tap to unlock use. Now you add the key specifically to your Apple Watch. Open Wallet on your iPhone, select the newly added car key, and choose Add to Apple Watch. If the car maker requires, scan the VIN or QR code from the car or app. This verifies vehicle ownership. Approve sharing with Face ID or passcode and choose whether to allow full access or driver only. Once the watch syncs, try a quick proximity test. Stand near the car and watch for the unlock icon to appear. To finish, use your Apple Watch like a physical key. Wake the watch and hold it close to the car's sensor or door handle. The car should unlock instantly. Once done, enable Express Mode in Wallet for immediate access without authentication. If it does not work, make sure Bluetooth and NFC are on, restart your iPhone and watch, and re-sync the key from Wallet. If problems persist, revoke and reissue the digital key in the car maker's app, or contact your dealer for remote provisioning support.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.